You know, I always thought you needed to spend a lot of money for expensive equipment to get your right shot or your camera to look very nice and crisp. Well, I'll tell you what, this is on my iPhone, and I'm going to show you the software that you can use with it to make a lot of cool effects as well as make your pictures look awesome. Let's dive right into it. As you can see, this is the interface. Now, this software is called Epoch Cam. It's created by Elgato. And let me show you the interface once again. You want to make sure the input is set to Epoch Cam for your phone, and you also could change your lens to front, back, ×1, 3 times, or actually wider here. So let me show you the difference. Front is going to be on the other side of my camera, which is only the wall, so we won't want to use that. We want to go back. So this is the regular shot. We can go closer, and we can go very wide, which is kind of a neat shot. I mean, it's pretty amazing how this is a camera that can do such a wide angle. I mean, I do want to remind you, once again, this is from my phone, so it's not like I spent $1,000 on equipment for a DSLR, but we are looking at the lens. We have it disabled right now, but I'm going to show you a couple of effects here. Here's the toddler effect. It makes me look like I'm, 3. We could change it to anime, which is kind of neat, that kind of stuff. Animation, once again, very similar. Black and white, really neat stuff here. VHS, can background blur, I could talk about in a different video. Okay, last I want to show you what you can do if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, and that's if you click on the effects here. You can download it later, it's just an add-on. And as you can see here, there's numerous effects you can have to change to your background. I mean, this is pretty amazing to think that this is actually a free application, and it's right through my phone. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.